Okay, so all machines are basically similar. To adjust the needle to be the thickness of a dime coming out for permanent makeup and the thickness of a nickel coming out for tattooing, is it's all done by the tips. Whether it is a coil machine, tattoo machine, or a rotary, or a pin, doesn't matter if it's corded or cordless, all machines are relatively the same in adjusting the needle. And the way you're going to do it is with a digital pin. Notice that it is round, but on the inner parts there is this oval piece, and on the needle is an oval piece. So you're going to just line it up, and then the tip, which this is the cartridge, goes in very easily. A lot of times people get flustered because they can't get it to turn in, they can't get it to line up. It's because you're not putting it in correctly. You got to make sure everything is lined up, and it should easily put in. And you don't have to tighten it down too tight, just one little click like that. And to turn it on, remember that the needle advances out. So my needle has a good width there. Now to adjust my needle, just like all the other machines, is I'm going to adjust with this part. Not this part, but this part. And I can adjust my needle in and out like this. You can hear it. So you can hear it. So again, this part here on the bottom is your gears. If you unscrew this because you're going like this too much doing your procedures and you keep twisting this, your gears will no longer line up correctly. It will spin, it will strip your gears, and your pin will fault. It will break. So the middle part is the part that you hold on to. This is the part that you adjust your pin in and out to get your needle length. Okay? This is called a needle tip, and in some machines you're going to put the needle in. It's not going to be a needle cartridge. A needle cartridge is everything all in one unit. Some machines have where you have to put the needle in and then you have to put the needle tip on top of that. You are going to adjust how much sticks out by adjusting the tip, not the space. This machine here also has 3 pieces. Down here is my gears. If I keep twisting this instead, all I'm going to do is strip my gears. So I don't want to twist where the bottom part is here. I want to hold and twist the beginning part. So then you have your middle piece. This is where you twist and advance the needle in and out. Again, it appears to be round, but look on the inside. See how it's oval? So you're going to want to make sure that the needle is lined up properly, and then it will click in right. Okay? I see a lot of people trying to push it in and just push it in, and they get all flustered. It's not working, it's broken, these are the wrong needles. It's because they're not lining it up correctly. Simply look at your needle, look at the machine, see that it has a little oval there, and it clicks. Now if it's a coil machine adjusts the same way. This is called a tube. This is the needle. This is called a tube, and you adjust the needle by adjusting the tube. See? That's way far out there. And I can adjust it by moving the tube and tighten it down, snugly. Remember, when I turn it on, it will advance out a little bit also. On a rotary, it does the same. I have a piece down here that will be your gears. I hold on to the middle piece and I adjust this grip piece in order to adjust the needle cartridge out. This one you can see is clearly oval, so the needle would plop in and turn. And it has a needle cartridge just like this, but that fits this machine. To adjust the needle out, because this one is a new machine, it's a little snug, but you're going to turn this piece just like you do the rest. This piece right here. Okay, the front. Now on the Goldfish or a machine like the Goldfish, this is a cordless machine. That's how you're going to adjust the speed. Notice that it does have the front part here that you also adjust your pin with, and you just turn it. And you're adjusting your needle in and out right here. Okay?